Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So, just a quick video. I wanted to talk about some steps you can take if you are at a similar stage in your journey and design process as we are, or maybe even a few steps back, where collecting organic matter, setting up your closed loops, finding sourcing for brown materials, extra mineral health, extra mineral nutrient, um, extra species, or just, you're trying to step up your composting game, or you have extra garden beds that you're looking to cover this coming fall, so you want to have just a pile to cook down over the warm season for your fall beds so that you have better production next year. Um, all of this is possible for better than free. And what I mean by that is it's not something I'm keen on. It's not something I want to do in the long term, but as we bill ourselves as a permaculture nursery that also works with people to install food forests and intentional gardens, we also occasionally will offer spring cleanup services for people. And the gentleman in question wanted all of this off of his property. He has a hillside that he had topsoiled last year. He had broadcast several types of grass seed, and then we got a bunch of rain, and this all flowed down the hill into his city drainage ditch, through the culverts under his driveway, and collected. And I offered to pull all this out, spread it on the lawn, hit it with a mulching mower, and leave it all there for fertility for his actual property. And he said no, he'd rather pay me money to haul it all away. So if you've got any kind of system that you can set up where you have the capability of hauling away something, or if renting a trailer is not unfeasible for you, consider offering cleanup services for folks, whether it's the fall, whether it's the spring, whether it's mid-season because they have a bunch of things that they deadhead and cut for season transitions. It's fine. It's whatever. The entire point is we're trying to conserve landfill space. We're trying to divert waste resources and fertility to better, more appropriate, more integratable systems. And our whole goal as permaculture designers should be to maximize our yields while remaining low key in the amount of energy that is expended to set up those systems. So I just want to encourage any of you, if you're at a stage where you're able to collect leaves like this, trash dirt, sod, what have you, and just set things up so that you've got a couple of slow compost bays just cooking away throughout the season so that you have fertility later, then do it. If you've got a few days during the week that you're free and you can spare a few hours to clean up someone's property, get your name out, have positive association with the branding that you're trying to create and the identity that you are presenting. You don't have to preach permaculture. You can offer to do things the way that you think that they might ought to be done. You can just grin and say, yeah, I'll take care of all of that for you. I'll get it off your property. Don't you sweat. And then you can do whatever you want. But it doesn't just have to be driving around town looking for leaf bags to pick up and hoping that you don't come across as crazy. There is, quite honestly, the absolute potential to do a little bit of trash reclamation and clear out while you're pulling everything. And a secondary look so that you're not just getting a dump truck full of possible trashed in things. But yeah, do some price comparisons. Find out what a reasonable charge per hour is. Double your yields. Get more fertility and get paid doing it. And you'll come across as a more, I don't want to use the word legitimate, but you'll come across as a more fully fleshed out business idea and entity if you offer a variety of services that people need for their gardens. So maybe you're a small permaculture nursery, or maybe you want to be, and you're looking for ways to get your name out and just make small connections so that you can start public outreach and community outreach. This is a great way to do it, to pad your budget, to give you a little bit more operating expense leeway, all while picking up extra fertility for your own on-site systems. So, just some thoughts. I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.